Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi, and I hope you are doing well. Today I will start this pattern, and this is a writing a triangle pattern and also a column-wise pattern, because in each columns alphabets are repeated in a constantly way. Means in each row, in first row capital E is repeated, in second row capital D is repeated, in third row capital C is repeated, and in fourth and fifth row alphabets are constantly repeated. So we used nested for loop to understand this pattern. Firstly, we declare two variables for outer and inner for loop, and we declare character type variable, and we used I and j for move outer and inner for loop. So firstly we declare two variables, and we create outer for loop, and we takes three parameters in this outer for loop. Firstly we initialize I equals to 5 and check condition if I greater than 0 and I decrement to 1, and inside this outer for loop we create another loop that is called inner for loop, and in this inner for loop we also take three parameters, and we initialize j variable, and j equals to 6 and check condition if j greater than equal to I and j decrement to 1, and inside this inner for loop we print j variable of inner for loop, because this is a column wise pattern. When you have a column wise pattern you always print in the loop variable that is j, and j plus 64. If j value is 5 suppose, so we 5 plus 64 that is 69. So in first row the first element will print capital E, because we used to specify a percentile C to print the alphabets. So outside this inner for loop we used backslash and for cursor to the next line. When completing each row cursor will move to the next line. So I hope you understand. Firstly we create outer for loop, and we take three parameters in outer for loop: I equals to 5, I greater than 0, and I decrement to 1, which means I will move from 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Outer for loop will continue iterate 5 times, and inner loop initialize to j variable that is j equals to 6, j less than, j greater than I, and j decrement to 1. So if you compile this program, there is no error in this program. When you run this program, the above output is not shown below, because we create some silly mistake that is j equal to 6. If you type j equals to 5 and j greater than equal to I, then the above output is shown as below, and we print j plus 64, because when first time the inner loop is executed, then the first row capital E is printed. So like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Deepanshi, and thanks for watching. If you have any doubt related to this pattern programming playlist from scratch, you can ask me or text me anytime in the comment section. Have a great day.
I know one